everybody, Ryan Saber here. If you haven't seen one of these, this is a QH05 quick hitch from LandPride, offered in all the way up to category 3. I'm here today to show you how easy it is to hook this up to your tractor. Let's get started. Here it is, the QH05. Easy installation. 3 pins, your 2 bottom pins and your top link pin. Connect it and you're ready to go. Let me show you how. Hook up your 2 bottom 3-point links. Next, it's going to be your top link. Three main pins to hook up. Then what you're going to want to do, so your implements do not swing back and forth, you're going to want to tighten your turnbuckles, which may require a crescent wrench to get them good and tight because you don't want your implements sliding back and forth against each other. Turn these to the point where you don't have any slop back and forth and your hitch is nice and tight. You can also use your top link to adjust your levelness up and down for hooking up to your attachments. Pretty quick and easy to hook up, which is going to allow and save you a lot of time in the long run hooking up to all your other implements that you have in your yard. Taking it off is just as easy as putting it on. Let me show you. Pretty easy to hook up your QH05. The time saved hooking this up is going to save you lots of time switching back and forth, easy in between other implements you may have in your yard.